Hi, my name is Jill Gilliamball. I am an early childhood mental health consultant at the Children's Resource Center in Bowling Green, Ohio. And one of my primary roles at the Children's Resource Center is to increase social emotional wellness and awareness for children ages 0 to 8. We do this by supporting the caregivers of young children, whether that be parents, grandparents, guardians, or even teachers. And today, what I wanted to do is just share with you one of my favorite quick tips or strategies that I like to recommend to caregivers. And I like to call that using the language of safety. It can also be known as a safekeeper ritual. And I think we all know that we're living in some uncertain times with everything that we have experienced and are still experiencing in regards to COVID-19. We also are experiencing in our country some racial conflict and rioting and some really confusing times and things for young children to try to cope with and understand. And all of those things can kind of threaten our sense of safety and security. So, one thing that's really important to note is, part of our brain's job is to help keep us safe, and that's one of its primary roles. So, whether we're adults or children, no matter how old we are, we really need to feel safe to be kind of in that optimal state where we can learn. So, one of the things that you can do to help young children with that, especially during these uncertain times, is just to let them know that when they're with you, it's a safe place. So, saying something like, "This is a safe place," saying, "It's my job to keep you safe," as your parent or your caregiver, your teacher, whatever your role is in their life, but also saying it's your job to help keep it that way. So, using these moments when we're crossing the road and, maybe holding hands and looking both ways, or when we're buckling up our seatbelts or putting kids in their car seats and, they don't always love that. Just reminding them that this is a safe place. It's my job to keep you safe. It's your job to help keep it that way. As caring adults, we are our children's safekeepers, and something as simple as just reminding them of that can help them be more successful. Thanks for listening.